Thank you, young man. This means a lot to me.
You're welcome. She's in good hands now.
God bless you.
No, it's good. Roll it, easy, easy. Stairs, maybe. Skill. Keep it steady. Watch the right wheel. Clear on the right. Slow and control, please. Just a little further. Okay, it's down. Cut the winch. Steady on the rust. The front right wheel well is badly rusted. Yes, and the windshield seal is completely gone. Be careful with this edge. Got it, it's out. Clean the rust. Applying the bead. Ready for the glass. Press down firm. Perfect fit. All right, let's take a look. Looks like some rust on the block. Agreed. Check the exhaust manifold as well. It needs cleaning. Almost got it. Mine's stuck. Keep going. There, got it. Got it steady. Line it up. Secure. Wires in. Clip tight. Line it up. Got it. Drill it. Tight. Perfect. Next. Line it up. Got it. Drill it. Tight. Perfect. Next piece. Fast and efficient. Keep it moving. I'm on the heads, you take the block. Watch the pistons. Don't miss a spot. On it. Solution applied. Keep scrubbing. All right, patches are in position. Ready to weld. Begin welding sequence. Welding is secure. Now for the grind. Looking good. Right, tighten those bolts. Now the fuel lines. Electricals next. All systems checked. Done. Look at that. We nailed it. Perfect. Just like the reference. Next to sink. Got the panels. Power on the lights. Perfect.
Žarėmės čia, likadanie aučius pošni faktimos tam nic sadnių na barai bens laibraže. Sonta čia sparim štai taip kiupo bėsina, nu paima tai.